You go out to earn halal because you are conscious of halal and haram. You're conscious of Allah. You want to give charities. You are humble. You are a beautiful individual. You remember your duties unto Allah. The more you get, the better it makes you become as a person. That is an ibadah. That's a gift of Allah. And one day it strikes. What will strike? You have to suffer a loss. All of you who are in business, anyone who's in any form of job, anyone who has beautiful health, may Allah protect us all. But a day will come when Allah will test you with it. That particular thing you think, you know what, I'm calm, I'm relaxed and I'm sitting. Allah can change the condition of a person in a flash. Today you're sitting calm. You don't realize it will strike. Why? You know why? For a believer. The true reason is Allah is giving you the opportunity to outshine the old you and to come to a new level in your connection with Allah. That's the reason why He tests you a bit more.